starters.
Just 16, he is the CEO of AI Realm Technologies. Donald Hegde did not just teach India how to manage its money. The first ever Indian financial content creator to ever walk the red carpet of the Games Festival.
Visionary, unshakable determination, and a heart devoted to shaping a brighter tomorrow.
Our next guest literally teaches technology how to behave.
For the very first time, an Indian lifts the trophy and places our nation on the global badminton map.
And today, as the CEO of Swiggy's food marketplace, he is proving that speed and purpose can go hand in hand.
The one who surprises you, delights you, and makes everything feel just a little more special.